Welcome to my Ezoic journey case study. I know it's been a very long time, but since I am doing a full-time job, I could not find time to make a video. But still, today we are going to look at the progress of my website with Ezoic. It's been around 90 days with Ezoic, and it's been a pretty good progress, I would say, considering the amount of time I invested or the work that I have put in into the site. So let's see what all we are going to discuss in this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the earnings the site has made so far. Also, I'm going to break down the earnings by device type, location, what are all the traffic sources that contribute to the revenue. All these things are going to be discussed in this video. Then also, I'm going to talk about what is the work that I'm currently doing on my website. Then finally I'll be talking about the upcoming videos. I have some really cool upcoming videos if you're on Ezoic or if you're into blogging, so those videos are definitely going to help you. So I would highly encourage you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So as a gentle note, I also would like to remind you that there are some links to my previous videos and other important links. Just go below this video in the description box and check out the previous videos as well. With that being said, let's get started. So many people have asked a question like what niche am I in, so I thought this is something I need to address immediately before going to the earning stats. So I'm in the make money online niche. I know many people can argue that this can be a very competitive niche, but as you have noticed, many other YouTube channels, they are talking about finding simple informational keywords or informational long-term key phrases can be really helpful. So it doesn't matter what niche you are in, but especially I feel make money online niche has a very good diversification option, because I can promote a lot of affiliate products. I can sell my courses. At the same time, I can also monetize my site through AdSense. So all considering all these options, I chose a niche which is the make money online niche. So currently my website has around 80 posts, and the average length of the article would be around 750, and I'm using a free website theme called Ocean WP. It is a really good theme. It is similar to Astra. You can use Astra theme also. It is a pretty good theme. It is super fast. Probably I'll leave a link to these two. Both are free. You can use the paid option, but I'm using the free ones. Then let's talk about the traffic. So when it comes to traffic, around 50% of my traffic comes from US and Canada. 30% traffic comes from India, and the remaining 20% comes from all over the world. So just one quick tip I have here. So if you want to drive traffic from the US or Canada, just think about certain products or services that are available only in the country specific to US or Japan or whatever country you are targeting. So that is one way of going about attracting people who are in US or Canada. That's something I'm doing. But I also write something which is more generic. That's why I'm getting traffic from India as well. But going forward, I would be focusing on products and services that are available only in the US. So that way I get majority of the traffic from the US. Also, there is a very cheeky way using which you can drive traffic from US, which is just changing your Google Chrome search settings to a specific region, so that when you type or search something, when you use that strategy to find information for your articles, so that will show up the articles that are that will show up the search terms that are being used by the people in the US or in the Canada, whatever settings you are doing or changing. So it is going to bring up the key terms or the phrases that are used by the people in those region to search up something, so which is something you would want, because when you write articles targeting those key terms, in that case what is going to happen is you're going to attract people from those countries. So that's a simple tip I have for you in this video. Let's move ahead. So this is my earnings overview. So overall the earnings are coming around $1.5. Someday it is $1. So recently I started getting a bit more traffic, and always on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays my traffic is a bit low. It is not like an outdoor niche, because people on weekends in my niche tend to relax and spend time with family. Probably if you're in a recreational niche, then you might see a good spike on during weekends. But some of my articles have started to rank well on the #1 spot, and then those are bringing me some good traffic. So let's move ahead. So here is the daily breakdown of the earnings. As you can see, recently the earnings have increased. Sorry, the EPMV. So I've did some small tweaking to my site in the ESOIC settings, which helped me in the increase in EPMV. So I'm planning to create a video on that, how you can increase your EPMV, which is very important, I believe. So that really helped me. I know that the revenue also increased because of the visits, but when you look at the EPMV, so the EPMV increase has a little more to do with the tweaking of your ESOIC settings, and I'm planning to cover a detailed video on that. So make sure to stick around. And here is the earnings I have made so far till date, around $83.73 for since the last 90 days. So that's something I've made, and it is completely passive. And let's see how it goes in the future, and it all depends on the number of articles I keep uploading. And also I believe there are around 30 articles which I know needs to get more traction on the Google search engine. So once they start to rank, then probably this is going to increase even more. And here is the breakdown of my earnings. I get a good amount of traffic both from desktop and mobile. Even when I spoke to the support team, they were also a bit surprised looking at the evenly split traffic between mobile and desktop. One downside is when it comes to mobile traffic, so earnings tend to decrease a bit, and your EPMV will also be low because of the number of ad spaces. So you cannot put a lot of placeholder. For example, whatever the ads that are shown on the sidebar in desktop, so those come at the bottom in a mobile device. So in considering those things, always the IPME is going to be a little bit low, but you can increase it by using the AI feature which they have recently released. You can go ahead and enable it. So that would really help you to increase your revenue at least by 10%, because that is going to split test by placing different what do you call that, placeholders on the mobile device. So it is more like an automatic one, so you need not worry about placing placeholders or reaching out to your account manager to help you in placing the placeholders. In future they are planning to do this for desktop as well. Once that is done, then it will be more like hands free. Everything will be taken care by the AI bot. All you need to do is just go and toggle or enable those buttons. So once you enable that, just you need to forget, you need not worry about adding placeholders. It is all automatically done and taken care by the artificial intelligence system. So moving on, here we have the traffic source breakdown. So as you can see, majority of my traffic comes from the search engine Google. Also you would notice I'm getting traffic from Bing and Yahoo, and the EPMV is pretty good for Bing and Yahoo. So if you haven't configured the Bing search console, then you can do it very easily nowadays by using a plugin. Using a plugin, you can easily connect your site to the Bing search console, so that you can also make sure you're getting traffic from Bing. And there is also a traffic coming from Pinterest, which is good, and Quora. So there is a cool update about Quora. Now I have around 25,000 followers on MySpace, and I have not yet planned for any monetization right now. So all those are clean posts, I would say, which doesn't take my followers outside of Quora, because that is something Quora would want. But I also did a small test where I included a lead magnet just using Gumroad, just to see how many people are signing up. And I found that every day around 20 people were signing up to my lead magnet. So that is cool information. And here we are with the current income report. So per month I'm making anywhere close to $30 to $40, and zero affiliate earnings, and I have not made money selling courses because there are no courses currently. But that is the huge plan I have right now, considering how powerful it is to monetize the Quora space. And also in the make money online niche, it is very important to have some courses that you can sell to people, and I can use it on my homepage. So those are something that I haven't planned, and in 60 days this is my plan. I'm planning to make at least $100 selling courses. I'm in the process of creating a couple of courses, and I'm going to use the same lead magnet technique, or use some freebies on my posts, and then follow up them with a course, something like that. So I have done this part in the past. So affiliate earnings I'm planning to make at least $20. Let's see how it goes. So this is our plan for the next 60 days. Okay, finally these are the upcoming videos which you can expect. there is something which I did try, which is the site speed accelerator. So I tried, and you won't believe me, my site was getting around a 95 on mobile for the Google speed, and 99 on desktop. I have some proofs I would show you in my upcoming videos, but I had disabled it because I believe that it doesn't provide a good user experience. I have data to back it up, but it can differ from each and every website. But I'm planning to create a video that why I disabled site speed accelerator for my website. So the next thing is going to be an upcoming video would be on how you can increase your EPMV, then other cool tips about Ezoic. Then finally I'm also going to talk about some case studies here and there, whatever I can find online, and then I can forward you, because at this moment I'm not able to disclose my website because it is just in the beginning stage, and I don't want a bunch of people to copy the content and paste it and ruin my website. And finally, if you have any questions about Ezoic or blogging or SEO or how to drive traffic, feel free to put your comments. I will go ahead and answer each and every single comment. That's it. I'll see you in my next video.